Did you know that a simple star rating could be the key to transforming your email marketing strategy? Whether you're struggling with low engagement or you just want to take your campaigns to the next level, understanding Mailchimp's contact rating system could be a game changer. I'm Eric from Strategy Email, and today we're going to deep dive into Mailchimp's most powerful yet most often misunderstood features, contact ratings. In just a few minutes, you're going to learn how to leverage this tool to boost your email engagement, segment your audience effectively, and ultimately drive more conversions. First things first, what exactly is a contact rating in Mailchimp? Simply put, it's a 5-star system that rates your contacts based on their engagement with your emails. The more engaged a subscriber is, the higher the star rating. The rating is determined by a 16-point scale that Mailchimp has that factors in how often your contacts open your email, click on links, and even how frequently you send them campaigns. Let's break down what each rating means. So 5 stars. Those are your most loyal, engaged subscribers. They consistently open, click on, and engage with your content. Then we have 4 stars. These are moderately engaged. These contacts regularly open and interact with your campaigns. Then we have 3 stars. These are somewhat engaged, but inconsistent. They may open some emails, but aren't regular clickers. 2 stars. Now, typically these are new subscribers. Every new subscriber starts out at 2 stars. Or these are subscribers who were once engaged but have gone dormant. Then we have the 1 stars. These contacts are the least engaged. They might have unsubscribed and resubscribed, or they may have experienced soft bounces. They're not opening or clicking through your emails. Now, why does this matter? Knowing your contacts rating allows you to tailor your email marketing strategy. For example, you can send appreciation campaigns or exclusive offers to your 4 or 5-star contacts who are more likely to convert. You can also design re-engagement campaigns to win back your 1 to 3-star contacts. So how do you put this into practice? Let's jump into it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go over here on the left side to audience, and then we're going to scroll down here right under audience, and we're going to choose segments. What we're going to do is we're going to create a segment that has all of our 1-star contacts on it, so we can send them re-engagement campaigns. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on create segment. We can also click on this one right here. Either way, we're going to click create segment. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the contact is a current subscriber. So we're going to scroll down to email, SMS, and automations activity. And we are going to choose email subscription status and make sure that it is one of subscribed. We're going to add a filter. Before we choose the other filter, we're going to change this to and. The customer is subscribed as well as has a 1-star rating. So now that we've chosen both and subscribed and this next filter, let's choose the 1-star rating. Click on this drop down, scroll to contact rating, and it will auto populate to 1 star. So now that we have the contact rating is 1 star and the email subscription is subscribed, we can click on review segment. I'm going to call this 1-star subscribers. I'm going to click on review segment. And as you can see, it looks like we only have 1 customer in here that is on our 1-star segment, which is great. So now that we've confirmed that, we're going to click on use segment. And there we go. We have created our 1-star subscribers. Now we have our 1-star subscribers segment set up, we can send a regular campaign to this segment to hopefully move them up to a 5-star subscriber. We can do the same thing for 5-star subscribers. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a segment. We're going to do the exact same thing, except we're going to choose 5 stars. So email subscription status is going to be subscribed, and we want to change this to and. We want to go ahead and change contact rating to 5 stars. So we can hopefully send them discounts for being such a faithful customer. So we're going to click on review segment. I'm going to say 5-star subscribers. Click on review segment. And unfortunately, I don't have any 5-star subscribers yet, but that's fine. We're going to click on use segment, and then we can do the exact same thing. Click this drop down next to edit. And if I did have any 5-star subscribers, I could send them a campaign from here. As usual, you want to keep an eye on the performance of these campaigns. Make sure to use your reports and analytics to make sure that your customers are converting and taking advantage of the discounts they are offering to them. So something to keep in mind is while contact ratings are super useful, they only measure email engagement, not overall brand engagement. Don't make the mistake of ignoring other channels like social media or your website. Also, remember that new subscribers always start off at 2 stars. So it might not make sense to do a re-engagement campaign for 2 stars. Want to dive deeper into Mailchimp's features and create campaigns that really drive engagement? Sign up for my email newsletter down in the video description below. That's it for today's video. Remember, the key to successful email marketing isn't just the tools you use, but it's how you use them. So start leveraging those contact ratings and watch your engagement soar. Until next time, keep optimizing.